Over 350 fresh reports of UFOs, or unidentified aerial phenomena, have been received by the U.S. government since March 2021, according to the Office of the Director of National Intelligence. About half of these reports have no known explanation. Despite the widespread discussion of the possibility of an alien invasion in science fiction and other forms of popular culture, there is no hard evidence to support the hypothesis that aliens have ever visited Earth. We will analyze the potential phases of a UFO invasion, including initial sightings and reports, media coverage, government reaction, direct contact with aliens, and finally, confrontation or peaceful cohabitation depending on the alien's goals. All discussion about an alien invasion is just that, speculation, because there is currently no evidence of UFOs or extraterrestrial life visiting Earth. On the other hand, if we were to speculate about what may happen if aliens actually did invade Earth, the invasion might go something like this. Sightings and initial reports. This is when people first begin to report seeing what they believe to be UFOs in the sky. Possible abnormalities in the object's motion include hovering, rapid acceleration, and abrupt directional changes. Additionally, some people may claim to have seen strange forms or colored lights. The next step could be for individuals to talk about it online or to report it to the police or the media. The more individuals who see UFOs and talk about it, the more likely it is that the media will start covering the topic. More individuals might become curious about the phenomenon and start searching skyward for themselves in the hopes of spotting the objects. Experts, like as astronomers or military officers, might be interviewed by the media to help explain what the objects might be. The government may become engaged in studying the phenomenon if sightings persist and become more prevalent. Both cutting-edge technology and the deployment of military personnel might be used to investigate these occurrences. The government may also organize news conferences or publish statements to inform the public of their progress. If it turns out that UFOs come from another planet, then the next step might be for humans and aliens to make open contact. This might involve the aliens physically visiting Earth and interacting with humans, or it could involve people using technology to have remote conversations with the aliens. This might be a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for humankind if the aliens are friendly and eager to make contact. The last stage may involve violence or peaceful coexistence, depending on the aliens' goals and deeds. It might lead to strife and possibly war if the aliens were hostile and intending to harm humans. If, however, the aliens turned out to be friendly and open to working with humans, it could usher in a golden age of interstellar cooperation in the fields of science and culture. It is hard to know how this phase will end, but whatever happens, it will have lasting effects on humanity. To sum up, the potential for a UFO invasion is a fantastical thought that has fascinated many people for decades. There is no hard evidence that aliens have ever visited Earth, but it's interesting to speculate on what might happen if they did. Initial UFO sightings and reports, rising media attention, government response, open contact with the aliens, and finally confrontation or peaceful cohabitation, depending on the aliens' goals, are only some of the possible stages of a UFO invasion. Thanks for reading, and I hope you'll consider subscribing so you can stay up to speed on future discussions of similar interest. Your attention is appreciated.